This is Himalayan Beauty's YouTube channel. Today our high-tech team members presenting this documentary on unbelievable Google Map tricks hidden from you. After watching this documentary you will be masters of unbelievable Google Map tricks that are hidden from you. Hope after watching this video you will try these tricks and share with your friends. Google Maps is the most popular online mapping service from Google that simplifies the process of locating places, measuring distances, and navigating through roads. But the functionality of Google Maps has been widened, and its perspective and offerings have improved with time. So we all need some tricks to make searching on Google Maps more easy. Let us focus on Google Maps, to study its continuous rise of popularity among consumers. The most interesting fact is that Google Maps navigates around 12 billion miles of roads each year across the globe. Studies indicate that utilization of Google Maps is no longer restricted to finding a location. It encompasses several other features to make journeys smoother and enjoyable. Unbelievable Google Maps tricks hidden from you. Industry experts have dug out some unbelievable Google Maps tricks and tips which were hidden from you till now. These hidden tricks will definitely give you an idea on why you should rely on this particular product. A detailed analysis of leveraging each trick to the maximum so that they directly impact search engine optimization, local SEO, and other digital marketing services and campaigns. Number 1. Add home and work. Add your home and work at your Google Maps to find the shortest route between the two, the current traffic status, and the time it will take you to reach. You can try this Google Maps trick with the support of Google Now, where you will find stickers of each type of location, from which you can select and place them on the map. Number 2. Send info to your phone. Sign in with the same email ID on your PC and phone. Then you will be able to send location details and direction details from your PC to your phone. Sometimes, it becomes necessary to transfer data or info from computer to phone. So, to simplify it, Google Maps have allowed share this information through email, app, chat or SMS. Number 3. Add depart at or arrive by. Mention your departure time or your arrival time on Google Maps, to find the traffic condition of your route. This may not be the accurate report of the road, but you will surely get an idea. If you put leave now or depart at and put the desired location, then you will find how much time will it take you to reach to that place. You will be shown different options, like by car it will take 3 hours, by bus it will take 5 hours, by rail it will take 4 hours, etc. It will show recommendations which route is the shortest and fastest among all suggestions provided. Any further details will also be specified, like this route has tolls. This is one of the best Google Maps tricks that can be used by businessmen and marketers to attend the meetings on time. Number 4. Get transit information. Google Maps is not about locating a place or getting the direction to that place. There is much more to this. If you are new to a place and have no idea about the different transit options of that place, you can surely rely on Google Maps. It will give you the details of all forms of transits, along with its arrival timings and stoppage details. It will also provide the timing when you last arrived at that place, contact details, and photos of the particular place. Number 5. Scroll through timeline. You will be amazed to know that Google remembers more than you and knows a lot about you. If I ask you where were you last month 14th, you will hardly be able to recall. But, if you utilize this Google Maps trick, you will certainly be able to answer the question. It will not only tell you where you were, but what route you took, where you took breaks, how much time you spent and what all photos you clicked. But, in case you want to keep your private life secret, you can turn off the timeline feature in Google Maps. Number 6. Enable Wi-Fi only. One more hidden Google Maps trick is the new Wi-Fi only feature. From the name itself, it is quite clear that the preference is given to Wi-Fi. That means Google Maps will work online only when it is connected to Wi-Fi. Otherwise, whenever it is connected to cellular data or mobile data, the Google Maps app will work offline. This feature has been designed to save your mobile data and to reduce the unnecessary use of it. Number 7. List down starred places. One more latest Google Maps feature is the Starred Places feature, where you can save locations to a list. You can save the places as favorites, want to go or starred places. You can create a list based on the categories and segregate the different places as per your choice. This list will be available to you only, as the default setting is private in this feature. But, later if you want, you can surely share these lists with your friends and family by making it public. Number 8. Use avoid option. Google Maps is the best tool to find the easiest route. So, once you put your location and the destination, the different route options will be shown to you. Here, you will also find the option to avoid certain things like tolls, highways and ferries. If you want to avoid long queues and unnecessary payments, then you can surely avoid such routes. It is not the end. There are several other Google Maps tricks that may be common for you, or another set of hidden tricks. Those Google Maps tricks are: 1. Use time travel virtual time machine. The time travel feature is denoted by a small stopwatch on Google Maps. It has revolutionized the process of street viewing with time travel, a virtual time machine which was introduced in 2014. It replaced the huge library of street imagery maps over the years. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Go to Street View. Step 2. Now, click on stopwatch icon. Step 3. After clicking it, sliding scale will appear. In that, go through street views. Number 2. Add multiple stops to your journey. Usually people do not have a set starting and ending point of a journey. They start from destination A to reach destination B. But, the journey may require multiple stoppages, and even destination B may not denote end of journey. They may continue their journey to destination C. Hence, adding multiple stops feature in Google Maps just adds to the usability. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Put start, A, and end point, B, of your trip. Step 2. Now, add stop. Step 3. Next, drag and drop on the next spot that is to be added. See. Number 3. Share your ride with other people. In modern times, it is tough to afford conveyance on its own or depend on public transportation, especially in areas away from thriving metros. Many cab services have introduced sharing facilities, one of the best solutions to this everyday problem, spawning a whole new industry and forever changing commuting. Google Maps has given cab services such as Uber, Lyft, etc. the capability to offer these convenient services of sharing real-time location to people across the globe with other users. Here you can simply raise your request from your destination or for a friend and the cab will come to the pickup address. The best part is that while booking you will get all the information of estimated time of ride and arrival as well as fare of the ride. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Open the Ride app. Step 2. Next, enter destination. Step 3. Now, click on icon of the person who is waiting for ride. Step 4. Finally, get ride share option with estimated time and fare. Number 4. Create your custom Google Map. This is one of the more brilliant Google Maps tricks still hidden from us. Google Maps also gives the facility to create your own custom map on Google, known as My Maps. Here, you can mark those spots that are important to you and skip the rest. You can create your own route or road map. It is easy to create and share with anyone and everyone. You can also give other people access to edit by clicking on the share button. Of course you can choose who can view and / or edit. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Click on hamburger menu. Step 2. Now click on your places. Step 3. Next, select maps. Step 4. Finally, click on create map. Number 5. Delete your Google Maps history. Google keep a close eye on whatever you search for and whichever activity you undertake on Google Maps. It also keeps a record of these activities. Google gives you the access to see those detailed history report on myactivity.google.com. Here you can not only view the history of your searches and activities, but also can change, alter, and delete them forever. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Below the search bar, click on Filter by Date and Product. Step 2. Next, a pop-up query will appear. Step 3. Now, search by date. Step 4. Next, click on Maps. Step 5. Now, click on 3 dots on top right. Step 6. Finally, choose the Delete Results option. Number 6. Get Traffic Report. The desktop version of Google Maps gives easy access to track real-time traffic on the road. It will also help you get information with regards to traffic patterns of a specific day on a specific time. This is extremely helpful as it will guide you on which road is to be chosen for traveling and which one is to be avoided. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Click on Hamburger menu. Step 2. Now, click on Traffic link. Step 3. Next, choose the Live Traffic or Typical Traffic option. Step 4. Finally, see expected traffic patterns at specific times. Number 7. Measure distance. You have the facility to measure the distance between any two spots in this world. You just need to choose two spots and Google Maps will help you measure the exact distance between them. It also helps to calculate the trip distance between the two places, for cars, public transport, or if you plan to walk. Direction to use this trick. Step 1. Do right-click on Map. Step 2. Now, choose Measure Distance. Step 3. Next, select Start and End points on Map. Step 4. Finally, calculate the distance. Number 8. Navigate offline. No internet or network problem on your phone will hamper your navigation on Google Maps. Everyone knows that without internet, your searches get limited. But Google Maps also provides offline navigation service through which you can download maps on your mobile and get directions. Direction to use. Step 1. First, download maps on mobile. Step 2. Now, get turn-by-turn directions while offline.